Hi, welcome to Sumri P. Today I've got a healthy seeded banana bread recipe. Not too sweet, not too much butter, and it's still moist and delicious. And it's perfect for toasting. So if you'd like to see how to make my healthy seeded banana bread, come with me and let's see. So step one, pop your oven on 170 degrees C, and we need to prepare a small loaf tin. I've just greased it and lined it with paper. So the next step is we've got The next step is we've got 75 grams of butter, that's unsalted butter, and we're only using 100 grams of dark brown sugar. So a little hint is the dark brown sugar keeps it more moist than using white sugar. So we're going to whip those two up. So while that's whipping around, grab some flour. So I'm not going to sift it today, I'm just going to whisk it. So I've got 175 grams of whole grain spelt flour. You can use the flour of your choice and it will still be fine. And into that I'm going to whisk in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. And we've got 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. That's optional. If you don't like cinnamon, you can leave it out. And put those to one side. Okay, so that's all smooth and creamy. So then we've got 2 eggs. I'm just going to add one at a time and whisk it around. And in between, we'll just scrape it. And if you're new here today, thank you for clicking on my video. And you might want to consider subscribing. I'm currently trying to do 3 videos a week to share more recipes with you. And if you want the full ingredient list, I'll pop it in the description below. And also you can get a link back to my website, sumrip.com, in the description below. And that's got full US unit converter. It's got cup measurements if you prefer cups. So the next step is we need to grab our bananas. So my other recipe that I have, I'll put a link up here, has got loads of bananas. It's 500 grams of bananas. So I wanted to, make up a recipe that only used a few bananas. You know when you've got a few left over and you don't know what to do with them? I threw these in the freezer a few weeks back. There's only 4, which weighs 200 grams. So I'm just squeezing them out. I defrosted them overnight. So the last step, I'm just going to grab my flour and fold it into the batter. And I've got 10 grams of flaxseed or linseed. I toasted 40 grams of pumpkin seeds. You can leave those out if you don't want seeds. I like the extra crunch. And as I said in the intro, it's perfect for toasting. You can also add sunflower seeds, sesame seeds. If you didn't want seeds, you could do walnuts or almonds. So we're almost mixed through. Okay, so now we pour that in. Just for fun, I'm going to add a few more seeds to the top, just to make it pretty. And some linseed or flaxseed. And remove my clips. So I've left it a little bit higher in the side so I can just lift it out. So we're going to bake this now for 45 to 55 minutes. I'll check it at 45 minutes, test it with a skewer. If it comes out clean, it's done. If not, I'll leave it in for a little bit longer. Our banana bread's all cooked and I've had it cooling for about an hour. So I'm going to cut into it. Just a note, it only took 40 minutes in the oven today. I think because I used the whole grain spelt flour, it cooked a bit quicker. So check that out. I'm going to come a bit closer and show you. Look at that yummy seeded banana bread. So I'm going to just try the end piece. That's yummy. It's a bit crunchy, not too sweet. The brown sugar makes the cake really moist though. Give this a go and let me know in the comments below if you've liked my video. Share it with a friend, hit the thumbs up if you've liked it. I'll pop a link to my original banana bread recipe. You might want to check that out too. And don't forget, consider subscribing. If you're new here today, remember to hit the bell, then you get notified as soon as I've got a new video. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye. Yum.